this class we are going to see uh, reciprocal equation. Reciprocal equation. What is this reciprocal equation? So what is this reciprocal equation? So okay, first let me give one example so that you can understand easily. X power 5 minus 2x power 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. This is called reciprocal equation. What is the nature of reciprocal equation? You see, this coefficient of x power 5 is 1, last coefficient also 1. This is 2, this is also 2. This is 3, this is 3. That means these two coefficients are equal. These two coefficients are equal. These two coefficients are equal. This is called reciprocal equation. So just I want to make it simple, okay, before writing the definition. So again, let's say x power 4 is there. X power 4 now minus x cube plus 3x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. This is also reciprocal equation. How do we know? This both should be equal, and this both should be equal, and this is same. See, from beginning third term, last third term also same. So this is reciprocal equation again. So now let's say, now again I am giving one more example. So that is x power 4 minus 2x cube next minus 2x plus 1. This equal to 0. This is reciprocal equation or not? Yes, this is also reciprocal equation. Simply what you need to check, you need to check the coefficients from equidistant from the beginning and end, same or not is what you have to check. Yes, same. Therefore this is also reciprocal equation. So but sometime you need to be careful. Sometime you have to see, like for example, you have like this x power 5 is there in this so yeah, here x power 5, for example, if I write minus 2x power 4 plus 3x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0 is there. So this is not reciprocal equation, though this is same, but here what is the third degree term also you must write. Here also I should write second degree term, but if I write here second degree term, what is the second degree? 0 into x square, na? From the beginning third coefficient, from the ending third coefficient is 0 only. But here I should write what term I should write? I should write third degree term. What is the third degree term? 0 into x cube. That means the third coefficient from the beginning is 0, third coefficient from the ending is 3. Therefore this is not reciprocal equation. So that is the care you must practice. Okay, right. So now here two things we have. One is reciprocal equation, another is reciprocal polynomial. Okay, so what is this reciprocal polynomial? Obviously you know. So your reciprocal equation, now if you remove this 0, then this becomes reciprocal polynomial. So but what is the nature of this reciprocal polynomial? So what happens is, in the place of x, if you put any one of this, if you put in the place of x, if you put f of in the place of x, if you put 1 by x, replace x by 1 by x, then what you get? This also you'll get same equation as this equation. If you want, you can put and see. This is now, if you put and see, 1 by x power 5, first equation I am writing, minus 2 by x power 4 plus 3 by x cube plus 3 by x square minus 2 by x plus 1 equal to 0. Now what will happen now? X power 5, if you multiply both sides with x power 5, okay, you multiply both sides with x power 5. Okay, you can multiply both sides always with x power 5. What you get here? If you multiply, then what you get here? 1 minus here 2x plus 3x square plus 3x cube minus 2x power 4 plus x power 5 equal to 0. You see, you are getting the same thing. Okay, this is what is a reciprocal equation. This is what is reciprocal equation. All right, so then what is reciprocal polynomial? Reciprocal polynomial. What is this reciprocal polynomial? So reciprocal polynomial means he will give the definition. That means here you see, so f of 1 by x I multiplied with x power 5. So f of x is, let's say, is reciprocal polynomial. Reciprocal polynomial I am saying. So if this is reciprocal polynomial, if I don't take this 0 part, this much is reciprocal polynomial. Then x power 5 into f of 1 by x is what I get, f of x. This both will be equal. Okay, then f of x is reciprocal polynomial, here you got. Okay, so but sometimes if constant is somewhat means so constant value is not 1, here in this case 1. So sometimes constant will be somewhat different. Then that time what you should do is, here a naught, if at all you see, yeah, okay, first of all I will write this, f of x equal to a naught x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 plus 1 up to a n minus 1 x plus a n is polynomial, not equation, just is polynomial. This is reciprocal polynomial, let's say is a polynomial, is reciprocal reciprocal polynomial, let us say this is. So then what is the condition? So a naught should be equal to an and a1 should be equal to an minus 1 and a2 should be equal to an minus 2. Hope you understand. That means this is equal to this one, this equidistant. If you write all the terms, okay, if something is 0, some x power n minus 1 term is not there, you must write there 0. So 0 into you should write, then you have to check whether they are equal or not. So then if this condition is true, then what we say, this is reciprocal polynomial. So therefore what we can write is here, here a f of 0 I am writing, actually f of 0 is nothing but an, you understand, f of 0 is nothing but an, f of 0 is nothing but an. Sometimes you will give an is nothing but a naught, a naught equal to f of 0 you will give. So f of 0 also meaning that an only. So here if at all you do this, a naught by f of 0 into x to the power of n into f of 1 by x. Before x power 1 by into f of 1 by x, x power n into f of 1 by x equal to f of x we got. So if you do this, a naught by f of 0, that means a naught by an. Okay, this will give you 1 into x to the power of n. If you do this one and then you got both are equal, then you say reciprocal polynomial. This is the definition they give, but actually meaning I told here, this only the meaning. So you have to just check coefficients equidistant from beginning and ending are equal, then that's called reciprocal polynomial. Only caution I explained here. What is the caution? You have to make sure that all the terms are present. If some term is not present, you have to make it 0 into x cube. Then you have to check. Then you will get whether it is reciprocal equation or not. Okay, then reciprocal polynomial and reciprocal equation. If a polynomial is reciprocal polynomial, then it's called, if you equate it to 0, then it's reciprocal equation, that you understand. Right, all right. So here, then you may ask, what is the use of this learning reciprocal polynomial or recognizing whether it is reciprocal polynomial or not? So now, first thing is, if it is reciprocal polynomial, then immediately just by seeing you can understand what are its roots. Here first you see here, this is reciprocal polynomial, right? If it is reciprocal polynomial, x equal to minus 1 becomes immediately one root. See, x equal to minus 1, if you substitute this minus 1, this plus 1 gets cancelled. Okay, if you substitute x equal to minus 1, no, this is minus 2, this becomes plus 2, this gets cancelled, this gets cancelled. That means x equal to minus 1 is a root for odd degree reciprocal polynomial. This is odd degree reciprocal polynomial. This minus 1 is a root. Immediately you can see and can check. Minus 1 is a root. See here, this is what? Even degree reciprocal polynomial. For this x equal to 1 is a root. You see, x equal to 1, if you substitute, no, this 1, this 1 and minus 1 gets cancelled, and no, sorry, this not 1, sorry, this is not. So if it is positive, so even degree reciprocal polynomial, you will get x equal to plus 1, x equal to, sorry, minus 1 is a no, sorry, you have to, this is sorry, this is even degree reciprocal polynomial. Yeah, for this what you have to do, you have to substitute x plus 1 by x equal to t. That method you have to do. Yes, yeah, yes, all right. Okay, so then that is a use. So here this reciprocal, there is a particular way that you can solve this reciprocal polynomial. So in this case, you can find out a root and then you can divide, and then you will get fourth degree. Fourth degree, how do you solve fourth degree? By putting x plus 1 by x equal to t, that you have learned in quadratic equations. You learned that one. So that is a use. So now we are going to learn some 2 points I am going to teach you. That is reciprocal, odd degree reciprocal polynomial of class 1, class 2, even degree reciprocal polynomial of class 1 and class 2. First of all, what is class 1 and class 2 reciprocal polynomials? Class 1 reciprocal polynomial equation. Okay, class 2 reciprocal polynomial equation. Class 1 means simply all plus signs will be there, right? So that means a naught equal to an, and like all the plus signs will be there, all the plus signs will be there, simple, all positives will be there. That is class 1. And class 2 means here alternate plus minus will be there, minus signs and minus signs are there. So okay, this I will make a naught equal to an, then this is reciprocal equation of class 1. A naught equal to minus an, then it is called minus an, then it is called reciprocal equation of class 2. Better you understand this way. So if at all a naught equal to an, so this is class 1. A naught equal to what minus an, then this is class 2. Very simple to understand this. So here once we will see here, yeah. Yeah, so 1 minute. Okay. So here, if you replace x by 1 by x, you will get the same equation. So therefore, 1 by x cube, see here, 2 by x square minus 2 by x minus 1 equals 0. What you get here? You get here 1 plus 2x square minus 2x minus x cube equal to 0. If you take minus common, x cube plus 2x, x cube, sorry, this is 2x square, this is 2x, yeah, minus this is x cube. Then if you take minus common, then obviously you get minus 2x minus 1 equals 0. You are getting the same. So that means for reciprocal equation means f of x equal to 0 is given. If you replace x by 1 by x, you will get the same equation. So but here two types are there, class 1, class 2. Class 1 means what? This is what is the reciprocal equation of class 1. In reciprocal equation of class 2, what you will get? Here this is plus 1, no, minus, this is minus, then this is minus. So this is class 2. Reciprocal equation of class 1, you will get a naught equal to an, a naught, a1 equal to an minus 1. But in class 2, what you get? You will get opposite sign. So that is the reason here I wrote this a naught by f of 0 into x to the power of n into f of 1 by x equal to f of x. But otherwise, x to the power of n into 1 by x only, you will get f of x. This much only you will get. For class 1, this much only enough. For class 2, this is required. Because here this may be plus 1 or minus 1. You see here, this is minus 1. You have to take minus common. That is only, this is what is minus 1. For class 2, this becomes minus 1. For class 1, this a naught by f of 0. A naught by an becomes 1. So for class 2, a naught by f of 0 becomes minus 1. So that is, hope you understand, class 1 or class 2. What is class 1 and what is class 2? Reciprocal equation of class 1. Okay, what is here? A naught equal to an, a1 an, a1 equal to an minus 1, and so on. For reciprocal equation of class 2, for class 2, so what is the condition? A naught equal to minus an, a1 equal to minus an minus 1, so on. Okay, that means here first thing I told, no, the coefficients equidistant from the beginning and ending are equal. Here coefficients equidistant from beginning and ending are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. That is reciprocal equation of class 2. So why class 1, class 2, why we have to learn? Because here for reciprocal equation of class 1 and class 2, then particular roots are there. For class 1, all positives are there. See. So class 1, no, if you take, you can take all positives. This is positive, and this is also positive. This is negative, of course. So then just by seeing, we can find out the roots actually. That is the reason. So now, okay, we will take class 1 equations and then we'll see. And then we'll take class 2 equation and we'll see. Already we have taken one example, that is x power 5 plus 3x power 4 plus 2x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 1 equals 0. This is reciprocal equation of class 1 very clearly of odd degree, okay, reciprocal equation of class 1 of odd degree, okay, odd degree reciprocal equation of class 1. Okay, class 1 I am taken, first I have taken class 1 of odd degree. I have taken very clearly. If you see, no, x equal to minus 1 is a root, x equal to minus 1 is a root. Already we have seen first example, x equal to minus 1 is a root, because if you put minus 1, this is minus 1 plus 1 cancel. This is minus 3, this becomes plus 3 cancel. This is minus 2, this plus 2 cancel. That is the reason x equal to minus 1 is a root. What is x equal to minus 1 is a root. Remaining equation easily you can solve, because you will get fourth degree. For solving fourth degree reciprocal equation, you will have you have a method. What is that? First you have to do this 1 3 2 2 3 1. So this is 0, this is 1, synthetic division. Minus 1, this is 2, minus 2, this is 0, and this is 0, and this is 2, and this is what is minus 2, this is 1, and this is what is minus 1, this is 0. So then x to the power of 4 plus 2x cube, right? 2x cube plus 2x square is gone, then 2x plus 1. So this one, how do you solve this equation? I told this process is there. Now, what is there? You have to divide by. This is reciprocal equation. See, understand. Reciprocal equation. Again, you will get, if you divide a reciprocal equation with x equal to this one factor, again you get reciprocal equation only. I will tell you the reason. Divide this. So now divide by x square on both sides. Divide by x square on both sides. What you get if you divide? What are we doing? This is reciprocal equation of class 1 and also odd degree. Odd degree reciprocal equation of class 1 we are solving. So first thing you should understand is x equal to minus 1 is a root. Okay, either class 1 or class 2, x equal to plus 1 minus 1, you have to substitute and check. That's it. So here, but odd degree reciprocal equation of class 1, x equal to minus 1 is a root. You need to remember that. Okay, right. So now divide by x square plus 2x plus 2 by x plus 1 by x square equal to 0. You know this process. That's why I'll make it fast. So x square plus 1 by x square 1, and 2 into x plus 1 by x another term. Then here x plus 1 by x you take as some t. Then a square plus b square plus 2ab is 1. Okay, 2ab is, ab means x into 1 by x 1. So equal to t square. So here x square plus 1 by x square is t square minus 1. This part is t square minus 1, and this part is 2t. This is equal to 0. Then t square plus 2t minus 1 equal to 0. This one you have to solve. Then you find t, and then you can put here, and you can also solve this one. This equation you can solve. Like that you will get. So this is a process. So what did you understand? So odd degree reciprocal equation of class 1, then here you have minus 1 is a root. So the next example 2, even degree reciprocal equation of class 1, that is x power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So for this odd even degree reciprocal equation of this is class 1, this equal to this and this equal to this and this equal to itself. So this is a even degree reciprocal equation of class 1. So here you cannot, how do you solve this is the matter here. So for class 1, you have to divide by x square. So if you divide by x square, then what you get, this is 2x plus 3 minus 2 by x plus 1 by x square. Like this you have to solve. If it is class 1 reciprocal equation of even degree, you can solve like this. Now you know solving like this. So but here, understand, here 4 roots will come, na? 4 roots will come. What are the 4 roots is, if alpha is a root, 1 by alpha becomes a root. If beta is a root, 1 by beta becomes a root. So roots will be like this: alpha 1 by alpha, beta 1 by beta. So definitely these will be the roots. That is the reason product of the roots becomes what, product of the roots becomes automatically 1. You see, you have here 1. Product of roots will become 1. Okay. So, all right. So then, yeah, we'll see now. Next 3 we'll see. So what we discussed: reciprocal. First odd degree reciprocal equation of class 1, you will have -1 as root. That's what we discussed. Even degree reciprocal equation of class 1, you will not find immediately roots, but you can find out the roots by solving this by using what is this method: x square dividing with x square, divide by x square on both sides, and then put x plus 1 by x equal to t. That's what you should do. And then we are going to next. Now next class 2. I am taking now class 2. Odd degree reciprocal equation of class 2. What is that? X power 5 plus 5x power 4 minus 3x, this is okay, 2x cube, and then next plus 2x square minus 5x minus 1 equal to 0. Very clearly this is plus 1, this is minus 1, this is plus 5, this is minus 5, this is minus 2, this is plus 2. This is called odd degree reciprocal equation of odd degree reciprocal equation of class 2. Okay, odd degree class 2. For this, if you see, x equal to plus 1 is a root, x equal to plus 1 is a root, and x equal to, what is the other root? X equal to plus 1 is a root. Yeah, only plus 1 is a root. So if you put x equal to plus 1 is a root, and then if you solve this, then we get fourth degree. Fourth degree equation you get. How do you solve fourth degree equation? Like this: divide by x square, and you can follow. So therefore, what is the conclusion? For odd degree reciprocal equation of class 2, minus plus 1 is a root, and odd degree reciprocal equation of class 1 minus 1 is a root. So you can remember like this: odd degree. So that's why I gave one example here. This example, in this, all positives I have taken. When I have taken all the positives for class 1, I have taken all the positives. So if I take all the positives, x equal to minus 1, x equal to minus, there is a possibility that x equal to minus 1 is a root, right? X equal to plus 1 cannot be root for this. So therefore, for that minus 1 is a root. Odd degree reciprocal equation of class 2, minus 1 is a, plus 1 is a root. For that minus 1, for this plus 1, because here negatives are there. Okay, all positives is not possible. Some negatives must be there here. So therefore, there is a possibility that x equal to 1 is a root. If you can remember like this, I am telling this to for how to remember. Okay, now fourth, let's take now even degree, that is x power 4 minus 3x power 3 plus even degree reciprocal equation. I am taking even degree reciprocal equation of class 2. So then next 5x square, and then next plus 3x and minus 1 equal to 0. If you see, this one is even degree reciprocal equation of class 2, obviously class 2, and even degree. So equal to, for this, x equal to 1 is a root, and x equal to minus 1 is a root. Plus 1, plus or minus 1, both are the roots. Plus or minus 1, if you put plus 1, it's a root. Minus 1, if you put also, it's a root. So both are the roots for this. Okay, hope you understand this one. So, but this one you need not by heart. Only thing you need to see is, you need to see what is class 1, what is class 2. Class 1 means what? A naught equal to an. Class 2 means what? A naught equal to minus an. This much only you have to remember. So reciprocal equation means here what you should remember, reciprocal equation means simple. F of x equal to 0 is an equation such that f of 1 by x equal to 0, if you find these both equations are same, then it's called reciprocal equation. Very, very simple. Okay, first, number 1. So now I am summarizing. Number 1, f of x equal to 0 is given. Now you found in the place of x, you replaced f of 1 by x equal to 0, you made this equation, after simplification, these two equations are same. Then this f of x is called reciprocal equation, number 1 point. Number 2 is, here I told, if this is reciprocal equation, if alpha is a root, then 1 by alpha must be a root. If alpha is a root, then 1 by alpha must be a root, because it is reciprocal equation. So therefore 1 by alpha must be a root. Okay, all right. So that is second. Third, here I told you in the reciprocal equation, reciprocal polynomial. If at all you want reciprocal polynomial definition, reciprocal polynomial, reciprocal polynomial definition. If you want, what is that? F of x is a polynomial satisfying a naught by an, means f of 0 into x to the power of n into f of 1 by x equal to, you will get f of x only. That means this is either plus 1 or minus 1. Okay, if it is class 1, a naught by f of 0 is plus 1. Okay, and x 1 by x if you do, then after that you have to multiply with x power n, so that you will get f of x. All right, so that is what is the thing here. These both are equal, then this becomes reciprocal equation, a reciprocal polynomial. So reciprocal polynomial, and then if f of x is reciprocal polynomial, then f of x equals 0 is reciprocal equation. Okay, so that is reciprocal equation. But I told here, now class 1 reciprocal equation I told, and class 2 reciprocal equation I told. Class 1 reciprocal equation meaning a naught equal to an and a1 equal to an minus 1 and so on. Class 2 reciprocal equation means a naught equal to minus an and so on. This is what I told. Now fifth, how do you solve reciprocal equation or any reciprocal equation? So class 1 reciprocal equation of class 1, odd degree reciprocal equation of class 1, so minus 1 is root. Odd degree reciprocal equation of class 2, plus 1 is a root. So when odd degree is there, either minus 1 or plus 1 is a root. After solving that, you will get x power. That means even degree reciprocal equation you get. When you have even degree reciprocal equation, x plus 1 by x you have to take as t. Like this, you can very easily solve reciprocal equation of class 1 and class 2. Okay, so please log in. This is going to be, please log in again. So 40 minutes over, I don't know whether he will give, yeah, 40 minutes over. So you may have to log in again.